Scrolling on Facebook the other day, one of my friends posted asking for help for her son on his math homework. She described what he was doing as drawing boxes, adding some numbers, attempting to multiply. So I knew I could make this video to maybe not just help her, but maybe help any other parent who's going through the same stress of trying to help their kiddo with their math homework. This method is called the area model multiplication method, or sometimes teachers call it the box method. It's actually pretty simple once you break it down. So let's get into it. To start, you start like any other multiplication problem, but in this case, we're doing a 2-digit number multiplied by another 2-digit number. It's super easy for parents to jump back into their old habits, line the numbers up, multiply to each place value, plug in that 0, and then add straight down. But that's not what your kiddo's learning in class. So let's talk about the way that they learned so you can better help them. The first thing they're going to do is they're going to draw a box big enough to write some numbers inside. And in order to know how big to make your box, you need to look at how many digits are in each number. So 49 has 2 digits, so that's why we put 49. Expanded form of 49 says 40 plus 9, so that's where that came from. Then 12 is 10 plus 2, again with another 2-digit number. All that's left now is to multiply each of those numbers with the box that they connect with. So that 40 and that 10 need to be multiplied together to get 400. And then looking at the next number, you're going to do 9 times 10, and it's going to go in that box, which is 90. That next box down is going to be 40 times 2, which is 80, and then 9 times 2, which is 18. I hope I didn't lose you, because all that's left is to take those 4 numbers, put them off to the side, and add them together. One trick I always encourage my students to do is to take the number with the greatest amount of digits and put it first, and then go in descending order down. It just kind of helps line up your numbers and to avoid confusion later on. This might not be the method that you were trained on when you were just a young student, but keep in mind, it doesn't really matter how you get to the answer as long as you get there. I would love to help you parents out with any other math questions that you might have when helping your student with their homework.